Here, this area, we're in Niguac, New Brunswick. Everything that you see here is being built by students. It's a 12-week program. We start over in Miramichi for 4 weeks, and then at the end of the 4 weeks, we move down to Niguac for 2 weeks of maintenance in the shop, and then the 6 last weeks, we're here in the field doing work with equipment. The 6 pieces, it's the loader, backhoe, excavator, grader, a bulldozer, and the roller compactor.
Our members do the majority of road work in the province. That goes from as big as constructing the 4-lane highways in the province to as small as doing, pipe culvert work. We're finding a lot of the operators are either at retirement or approaching retirement age. So there's going to be a huge demand, and I'm not just talking the next 4 or 5 years. I'm talking out the next 20, 25 years. The roads, they continually need to be upgraded, paved, and when you're upgrading, you're into earth moving, equipment, and so heavy equipment operators are going to be required for there. Anything that we see where there's a demand within the industry, we've worked in conjunction with NBCC and have been very happy. I know our members are happy with the graduates that come out, that they're well trained and ready to step in.
I all started in the heavy equipment kind of industry with my grandfather running an excavator and loader and stuff like that since I was really young. And then now that I'm 19, I thought, it's about time to go to college and, get something underneath my belt.